Hello my dear students, welcome to the channel. Students, today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 8, how season occurs, part 2 from 7th standard geography. See the first one. Complete the statement using correct option. First, the apparent movement of the sun means second आएगा इसका B वाला. It appears that the sun moves to the north or south in a year. Second है if the axis of the earth were not titled, इसका आंसर आएगा C वाला. See, different parallels on the earth would have experienced the same climate throughout the year. Next है आपका third, 21st June and 22nd December are solstice days. That is, आंसर है इसका first वाला. The sun starts its southward journey from Tropic of Cancer on 21st June and northward journey from Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. Now see the fourth one. The revolution of the earth around the sun and the tilt of the axis of the earth together are responsible for the following seasons. तो इसका आंसर है आपका बी वाला, समर, विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट है व्हाट लीड्स टू द अकरेंस ऑफ सीजन. So answer is the revolution of the earth around the sun and the tilt of the axis of the earth leads to the occurrence of the season. Question number 2. Second, what is the duration of the day on equinox? Answer, the duration of the day and night remains same, that is 12 hours day and 12 hours night on equinox. Question number 2 का third है why is the effect of the season not experienced in the equatorial region? Answer, the equatorial region extends up to 100 north and 100 south in north and south hemispheres respectively. In this region the sun rays are perpendicular throughout the year, so there is not so much difference in temperature throughout the year. Hence, effect of the season is not experienced in the equatorial region. Question number second, fourth. Why is the sun visible for more than 24 hours during Dakshinayan in the region between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole? Answer, the sun is visible for more than 24 hours during Dakshinayan in the region between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole because of the tidal axis of the earth. During Dakshinayan, the South Pole faces toward the sun. Question number second, fifth. Why are penguins not found at the North Pole? Answer, penguins are the bird that cannot fly or run fast. In the polar region of the northern hemisphere, animals like reindeer, polar bears, Antarctic foxes, etc. are found. These animals can be dangerous for penguins, so penguins not found at the North Pole. Question number 3. Rewrite the following statement after correcting them. First, the Earth's velocity varies according to the period of revolution. Answer, the Earth's velocity varies due to gravitational forces of the Sun and the Earth. The speed of the Earth gets reduced during the aphelion position and increases during the perihelion position. Number third, second, if we observe from the northern hemisphere, we see the apparent movement of the sun. Answer, the apparent movement of the sun can be observed from both northern and southern hemisphere. Next, question number third, the dates of equinox change every year. Answer, the dates of equinox may be same or vary by a day or so. Question number fourth. North Canada experiences summer from September to March. Answer, North Canada experiences summer from March to September. Question number fifth. When it is summer in South Africa, Australia has winter. Answer, when it is summer in South Africa, Australia also has summer. Question number 6. Duration of daytime is less on the vernal and autumnal equinox. Answer, duration of daytime and night time is same on the vernal and autumnal equinoxes. Next, question number 4. Spot the error in the diagram given below. So यहाँ पर देखो, आपको यहाँ पर 22 दिसंबर दिया है, उसकी जगह पर आपको 21 जून लिखना है. और राइट हैंड साइड पे देखो 21 जून दिया है, यहाँ पर आपको 22 दिसंबर लिखना है. स्टूडेंट्स, ओनली 2 एरर्स आर देयर इन योर डायग्राम. Take the screenshot or write it down afterward in your notebook. Now see the question number 5. Draw a diagram showing the cycle of seasons in the southern hemisphere. तो आप इसके लिए ये जो डायग्राम आपको दी गई है उसका रेफरेंस ले सकते हैं, बस उसमें थोड़ी सी एडिटिंग करना है। जहाँ पर आपने 21 जून लिखा है, मतलब जो आपने करेक्ट किया सेम एज इट इज़ रहेगा, बट ये जो डायग्राम है यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है समर एंड विंटर। समर सॉल्स्टिस में लिखना है आपको फर्स्ट समर एंड विंटर। ये जो आपको एसपी और एनपी दिया है ना, उसमें लिखना है आपको फर्स्ट समर एंड विंटर, एंड एज इट इज़ राइट हैंड साइड पे जहाँ पर आपने 22 दिसंबर लिखा है उसमें फर्स्ट आप लिखोगे विंटर देन समर लिखोगे, इसी तरह से। तो यहाँ पर आपको इसकी डायग्राम इसी तरह से कंप्लीट करना है। स्टूडेंट्स चैप्टर नंबर 1 to 8 की नोट्स भी मैंने ऑलरेडी दी है, आप माई होम माई स्टडी के प्लेलिस्ट में जाके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। और 7th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि ये वीडियो आपने क्लासमेट के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना, ताकि उनके भी होमवर्क कंप्लीट होते रहें।